Let's look at a condition of developmental disturbance called fissured tongue or lingua plicata. Fissured tongue or lingua plicata is a benign developmental condition characterized by grooves or furrows on the dorsal surface of the tongue. It is usually asymptomatic but may be associated with syndromes or other oral conditions. Let's look at a case scenario. Rahul, a 28-year-old student, visited his dentist after noticing deep grooves on his tongue while brushing. He was worried it might be an infection or cancer. On examination, the dentist observed multiple deep fissures running along the dorsal surface of the tongue, most prominent in the midline. The tongue appeared otherwise healthy, with no ulceration or suspicious lesions. The dentist reassured Rahul that this was a case of fissured tongue, a common and harmless condition. The dentist explained that while fissured tongue itself is benign, food debris can sometimes lodge in the grooves, leading to irritation or halitosis. Good oral hygiene was advised, and Rahul left relieved, knowing no treatment was required. More about fissured tongue. Fissured tongue or lingua plicata is a condition where the tongue develops deep grooves or furrows on its dorsal surface. It is considered a developmental anomaly, not a disease. Clinical features. Appearance: multiple grooves or fissures, often radiating from a central midline fissure. Size: depth varies from shallow to deep 2 to 6 mm. Symptoms: usually asymptomatic, but may cause burning sensation if debris accumulates. Prevalence: seen in about 5 to 10% of the population, more common with age. Associations: may occur with geographic tongue, Melkeson-Rosenthal syndrome, Down syndrome, and sometimes nutritional deficiencies. Diagnosis: clinical examination is sufficient due to characteristic appearance. No biopsy is needed unless atypical features are present. Differential diagnosis must be distinguished from traumatic lesions, oral candidiasis, or neoplastic changes. Management: no treatment required for fissured tongue itself. Advice: maintain good oral hygiene, brush tongue gently to remove debris. Symptomatic cases: treat associated conditions, for example, geographic tongue, nutritional deficiency.